What is going on, guys? So this video is going to be all about the best affiliate marketing course of 2019. So many of you may know I've taken a few courses in my time, and that's a serious note. I've taken a few courses. I didn't think I would have taken that many courses when I came into the online space, but I did. And my whole outlook on things and the way that I see things now is completely different. First course I took was Tanner J. Fox's course. I think it was with Ryan Hildreth. I think it was, yeah. So like, and that was on affiliate marketing. Nothing against the both of them. It was a good course, but it was lacking information. It didn't have that much, you know, like it wasn't like enough for you to succeed with, you know, like, so even if you took action on what they gave you, you kind of don't know what to take action on, because if you follow those steps, it's like it wasn't really like the whole picture in that sense. Then I took Chad Bartlett's course, which was pretty good. That was pretty good. Ain't gonna lie, that was a good course. I took the other guy's course. I forgot the guy's name. I can't even remember. The guy, he's like, he looks like kind of, I'm not sure if he's not Vietnamese. He might be Chinese. It's not Odie Productions, by the way. It was the other guy, the one that travels a lot. He's got like 100,000 subscribers now. He's always doing traveling videos in like Thailand and stuff like that. Completely forgot. Freedom something. I forgot his name. But anyway, I took his course. Mark something, I think his name is. But I took his course. That was like completely like just Vegas L. Like Vegas, I don't want to swear on the channel. Vegas, whatever, as you like. It wasn't direct, wasn't like, you know, it's just basic information that you find on YouTube. Mike V, that's his name, Mike V. Yeah, so that was, he's a good guy though. I do like that guy, but his course was crap. Then there was, I took Odie Productions course. Now that course, everyone was going on about that. Everyone was talking about Odie Productions course and how good it was and blah, blah, blah. And honestly, I took that course and I don't even care. Like, on a serious note, like, I don't really want to kind of offend anyone or whatever, but that course was basic. Like, that was a basic course, honestly. Like, it was not, it was basic. It's anything you can find online, you know? Like, I think people are not talking the truth about Odie because they just like him, they're friends with him and stuff like that. But I've got no ulterior motive of what I'm talking about. I've got nothing to gain. There's no affiliate link to Odie's course or whatever in the links. And that is the most important thing you want to look at on a serious note. If someone's always talking about a course, you want to check if they got an affiliate link inside of that description of that video. Because that says to you that they kind of, you know, have a biased opinion about that course. Yeah. So I took that course anyway. And it was good, don't get me wrong. For someone who like doesn't know anything about affiliate marketing and whatever, then it's good. I haven't taken his paid advertising one, like the one where he talks about, you know, running like affiliate product funnels, like how he's promoting ClickFunnels and all that. That's like a new thing that he's doing. So that, I think, will probably be good because Odie is one of the few people that are actually really killing it with affiliate marketing. So he is definitely the real deal. But the only thing is, his course, like that first one, affiliate, I can't even remember what it was called, champions or affiliate champions or whatever, I don't really think that's worth the money. Like, so if I was going to say to anyone to buy that, I would not recommend you buy that course, like, honestly. Then there's another course that I took. What else did I take? The next one actually was like a free course then I went on to, which was, oh no, I also took that Big Luca. Many of you probably don't even know who he is. He's not even a big YouTube channel. Big Luca. That was the first course where I say that was real. Like, you know, he was really about it. He was really, really good. And I learned a lot with that. So, you know, I started to get results with that. That's where I started getting results and stuff. Then the last course that I took was Franklin Hatchett Savage Affiliates. And honestly, I'm not going to leave a link inside of this description box, but take it from a guy who's taken all these courses. And on a serious note, there ain't no one giving the real truth online. Like, no one's really giving that truth, you know? Like, it's all fake. So, like, you need to really watch what people are telling you on the internet. And one of the biggest things I say is, don't listen to what they say, look at what they do. And most of the time you'll see that what they do is have a link in the description box to the course that they recommended. Now, I'm not going to even, I do usually promote Franklin Hatchett's course. If you directly want to actually go and buy that course through me, then by all means you can go and do that. Give me some money and go into one of my old videos. It's on all the other videos, but I made an exception on this. I would not do it because that was not the purpose of this video. But honestly, if I can say any course that has just like blown through like all of them, and the funny thing is it's cheaper than all of a majority of those courses. I think it's, you know, the same price as Chad Bartlett's, $197, but you know, that course outdone all of them. Like, and that's a serious note. Franklin Hatchett's course is the best affiliate marketing course out of all these internet gurus that you're seeing and whatever. That's like the realest person that you will find, like giving the real information on a course, you know, because Odie I think is real. He's really about it. He does what he says. But you know, Franklin Hatchett is good at actually teaching people how to do it, so he can simplify it for you. He's really good, honest. Even if you go check out his YouTube channel, you'll just see the information that he gives is completely different to what you'll find on the internet. You know, like go and check out some of his Instagram videos and how he runs adverts around it and grows them and whatever. You'll see what he does. He's in the trenches. He's currently doing it. And he takes you through how to do SEO, so how to build up a niche website, which is how I'm building up a niche website now. I've already started making money with it. It works. Like, honestly, it really works. Go check out my old videos. I'm showing you everything on those videos. Then you've also got, he teaches you how to do paid advertising with funnels. That's there, like right there. He takes you through his email funnels that are doing over 100K a year. So his actual email funnel that he uses for like his YouTube channel and how he gets people and funnels them through. He's got an email funnel that goes for like 4 months and he takes you through it in the course. You know, so there's that. It's all real information. He shows you his real websites that he's actually built up with SEO and how he's been making money with it. And then he also does all the paid stuff, so the landing pages and the affiliate products, you know, with paid advertising, email marketing, YouTube ads. He even shows you how to do that. So he shows you how he does YouTube ads. One, how you can grow your YouTube channel, and two, how you can do adverts, you know, to retarget people and profit with it, and Facebook adverts, like all of it, it's all in there. So whatever it is that you want to do, I think the only thing he doesn't have, I think, is Google ads, something like that. I can't even remember, but he's got Amazon affiliate sites, Clickbank affiliate sites, you know, paid advertising. It's got everything, honestly, and the amount of value you're getting in there is nuts. But the most important thing about how he gives it to you, he then gives you a template and it's got all the actions you need to take step by step. So it's got like week 1, do this, week 2, do that, week 3, do this. If this doesn't work by week 4, then you need to go back to week 2, do that again, do this or tweak that, change that, look at this and see what works, do more of that, you know, don't do the stuff that doesn't work. Everything is just there, so you just go boom, 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 and you just follow the steps. All of the courses that I've taken is vague, honest. Even if you take ODs and whatever else, that's a good course, but it's vague. Like, it's teaching you how to build a WordPress site and whatever else. Like, on a serious note, you could go watch that guy, Freddie Corp, who will teach you much better, and this is like my words, much better in depth, how to build a site than Odie's course, which is $1,000. You know, and Odie talks about like just running a Google ad straight to your YouTube channel. It's like, that's like, it's basics, you know, so I don't know. People can say one of two things on this. They can say, okay, if it's so basic, why aren't you doing it? Like, why aren't I doing it if it's that basic? Like, and the truth is, I could be, if you're going to be totally honest, I could be doing that. Like, you know, I could be. But my focus right now is on what I'm doing with the niche websites. And I think, you know, splitting your focus and whatever else, you know, just to prove you or whatever, it has no benefit on me. You know, if I was doing that, then I'd be focusing solely on that and making that work, you know. But at the same time, it's like, maybe that's because it is basic. I don't know. But that's in the course. Like, I'm not looking for some advanced strategies as a beginner or whatever else. But it's just, you know, I'm looking for something a bit more than what you would find just spread across YouTube. But then at the same time, the truth is, the majority of the courses all say it and they admit it, is that, you know, a lot of this stuff is available on the internet. You know, it just is. Like, there's so much information, and all of the courses I've taken, I remember when I used to, you know, take courses and you think there's some secret inside. You kind of got this false perception. You know, when someone says, oh yeah, you're watching their YouTube channel, then they're like, yeah, but I've got this course and this is going to give you all the information. You kind of think, oh, you know, like, what is it inside like? And then you think, do they talk the same inside? Do they teach the same inside? Is it going to be like this, or is it like a whiteboard, or, you know, how are they doing it? So all these sort of, all the curiosity kind of sparks up. Sorry, I'm going to drink a bit of water. All of that sparks up, and you just kind of think, you know, like, what is inside of this course? So you go out and buy it and whatever else, and then you come in and you're just like, oh, bloody hell, this is the same as this YouTube, you know? So it's crazy. And the craziest thing is how I'm sitting here on the camera is how some of them do, you know, on the courses, like just like this, you know? So it's crazy, man. But that's my thoughts. If you really want like real information from a real person who's taken these courses, then I would say, like, out of all of them, by far, like miles, Franklin Hatchett's course is the best one you can get. That's why I stand by promoting it. Think about it. I could be promoting Odie's. I'm signed up. I've bought his course. I could be promoting Chad Bartlett's. I've bought that. I could be promoting bloody who else? Who else is that Mike V guy? I don't think he has an affiliate program though. You know, the only two I stand by is Income School, which is those guys online. I promote their course, and I promote Franklin Hatchett's, because those are two real courses. And Income School, I haven't even been through that course. Like, I did buy it. Like, I spend a lot of money on courses, as you can see, you know, but I work a good job, so I make quite a good amount of money just on my day-to-day job. And I make a bit of money online. You know, I do make money online, but not with all the affiliate marketing so much. It's more with social media services that I run. But yeah, so like, if I was going to recommend any course, it would definitely be 100% the Savage Affiliates course. And it's just the best course, honestly. It's the real thing. You know, the only thing that isn't good on it, honestly, is the Facebook group. Like, and that's just the truth. You know, Frank, if you watch this, I'm sorry, but it's true. The Facebook group could be better. I've been trying to spark it up and trying to get a bit active in there, but it seems like it's kind of dead. You know, there's people that come in and whatever, they're not engaging and whatever else, compared to some of the groups I've seen. But the truth is, your success is not going to depend on the group, you know, so your success is going to depend on you and your actions and what you do. So that's the most important thing. But I hope this can, you know, bring some clarity to people on the internet. And if you're new and you like this video, then make sure to subscribe, because there's only real information here. And that's about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.